Okay, everybody, hi. I'm here to tell you about an outstanding product. It's called Eternabond. It's also sold to ABC Supply Company, which is a nationwide chain of roofing supplies. Great folks, good service. However, they put it under a different name, Seal Fast, as you can see. Now, this is a 1988 Fleetwood Pace Arrow, 32 foot. We bought it at a dealer in Carthage, Missouri as a trade-in. $2,900. What a steal. Motor runs good, blah, blah, blah. Anywho, it's got some problems. And if you look at how these are put together, what they did under these seams right here, if you can see this, basically they're just to the point where two panels come together. They riveted that piece over it, or in other locations on the motorhome, what they did was, where the two panels come together, as you can see here, what they did was just put a strip over it all the way down. And they depended on that glue to hold the seal. As you can see from the warpage in the walls, it doesn't hold. Also, they have the same thing going up here. Okay. Now, me being the El Cheapo that I am, I temporarily want to get these things sealed up as soon as possible. It's actually going to be, the seal part's going to be permanent, but the cosmetic part is not. We have some plans later. And one thing you can do with this, as I'll show you in a few minutes here, is you can actually get some vinyl graphics and go over it that way, over the Eternabond, and I'll show you what it looks like applied here in a minute. Basically, this is what they had. This is what the whole seal is based on. So, as you can tell, being 20 years old, okay, 21 years old now, it just isn't cutting the mustard. So, what we're going to do is rip the rest of this off, okay, patch up some dings like this, and we're going to put that Eternabond to work. That stuff is absolutely fabulous. Okay, we'll run back over here real quick. I don't want to tear too much of your time up. I took a piece of the 3-inch and I cut it down in half down the middle. It took me about 15 minutes to slice the whole roll. It's not exactly perfect. We're not trying to fly a spaceship here with accuracy or win a car show with beauty. But the effectiveness of this stuff sealing is unbelievable. Okay? So you can tell I already ran over the seam. Also, when you do the job, you're going to need a quality roller. Okay? Now, you can get the little Fisher-Price toy one made out of wood. Kind of crappy. I chose to go with the one ABC recommended. It's about 20 bucks, but this thing is just outstanding quality. It's all ball bearing, nice handle, and it looks like it threads onto a pole too. Basically, that's it. We're going to get rolling on some of this, and there will be a part 2 that you can see. Like I explained, you have a couple different options. This stuff is paintable. Also, I chose to probably just go with something similar to what the factory had, and just run another stripe over it. I don't think we'll really know the difference. After we wax and rub out all the paint and decals, we may end up getting some different decals to go over it anyways. But we'll just buy the material and do it ourselves. But again, this is the stuff. I'm telling you, nothing seals. The roof cracks that we got up here, not sure if you could see any of those, but they're nasty. We're going to get into that too in part 2. That's going to be a little bit tougher of a job because what we have to do is remove the silicone. One thing about this product that they don't tell you is that whether it's for an RV, whether it's for a roof, it doesn't matter. It's the same exact material. And I found that out directly from one of the people that, the employees at Eternabond. They don't tell you that. And also, it's a little bit cheaper, less expensive to buy from ABC. I'm not affiliated in any way with these guys. I just felt like passing on the good word because they are great folks. Anyway, this is a 3-inch roll, 50 foot long, as you can see. And this stuff kicks butt, man. I'm telling you. Permanent, guaranteed for life, permanent seal. So, in a nutshell, if they would have had this stuff 20 years ago, there'd be a lot of old motorhomes that didn't rot out. So, like I was saying on this particular motorhome, we got a lot of water damage in the walls. But, you know, we don't have to have perfection in our life, man. So, it's going to work out good. We're basically going to seal up the leaks. Anything that is structurally affected at this point, we can get